JP's birthday bash. We're running the trommel today because it's raining everywhere. So we might get in the creek later. Having a good time. We got M&M Prospecting here. Mike and Melissa. We're just bearing the weather up here. We got this big old load of dirt. Of course, I'm here. Hey, everybody. Trying to stay dry.
What's the name of your channel?
Here's Keith.
Lawns&More.
HD Chevrolet is here with Judy. We had a big bash last night. It was a really good time. We didn't record anything, but hey, that's life. Hey, we're out here at JP's birthday bash on the river. Look, we got a celebrity down here. Check him out. HD Chevrolet. He's got his gold hog. He's shoveling, looking for some of that good gold. It's still raining pretty good, but we're braving it. We got a lot of equipment. Oh, he's feathering it in there. It's running nice. Let me see if I can get across this big rock. Ton of ironstone. Ton of quartz here. Awesome, that's running nice. Look at all that black sand. I can see it in there. Wow. Awesome, this thing is rocking. Hey guys, I'm down here in the river, in the rain, getting wet. Got my M&M crack sucker out here in these rocks. They spill down into the river. I'm not in those rocks. I'm, under my feet here in these rocks. Trying to see if I can find a little flake of gold. Found a chunky little bit. That's the train tracks up there. Found a chunky little bit this morning in the troughs and just fighting it. We're running the trommels now and taking breaks and switching and rotating around. I decided to come out here with HD Chevrolet and working the creek a little bit. He had a pretty good little test run. I punched through and did a test run over here, and I didn't really find much gold at all. So I'm trying something different up here, and just trying to stay warm and dry as possible, and seeing how much gold we can get. Having a great time. The rain is putting a little bit of a damper on things, but it's not slowing us down too much. But it should be a lot of fun. We still got a fire going through all this. All right. Hey guys, I decided to move on this side of the river next to Ed, where it's got a little less current and ain't trying to knock you down anyway. He's digging from upstream, and I just set my deuce up here and I was just throwing a little dirt on it from around it. I ain't trying to break any records, but having a good time. We got canned chili rock in here. Looking good. We've attracted a bit of a gathering here from all the hooting and hollering and activity.
Was it?
Yeah, that was that last load of material.
Got a nice flake in there.
Got one there, got one here,
Damn, I only
and then
screamed
there's
that.
one right over here.
Thursday. Yeah, yeah.
Chunky.
James and I was down there screaming.
So there's one right there too.
Richard, I'm gonna run the trommel tomorrow. I am too, whether it's rain, hell, high water, or lightning.
God damn.
Yeah.
What's it worth to you?
What fun. We're going through the cons, shaking down the pans, and they're all coming out about like that. That one's particularly chunky. Yeah, that's really nice. So running through the stubby and cleaning it out every so often. We got 2 buckets like this to do. This is gonna be great. It's adding up. Here's the snuffer dump from the 2 runs. It's looking pretty good. Mike's a master at cleaning it up, so that's going to be his job. He's going to get it all nice and clean for us. All right, here's the take. We got a little over a gram there. Looking good, chunky stuff. All right. All right. Nighttime, the water has risen 6 to 8 inches at least. Almost had video proof. HD Chevrolet said he was going to pan
The can, if he won.
If he wins the can, he's going to pan it. He's not going to save it with the horde, the HD horde. He's going to pan it, but we can't get him to confirm it on
He
video.
just did.
Oh,
I heard it.
I heard it. With the pan and a can.
that's right. Hope you win, man.
That's the plan.
Birthday bash.
Hey, man. Second morning, JP's birthday bash. We got stormed last night. It was pretty bad. It was pretty rough. All our camp, it was monsoon. It was an inch full of water everywhere. It soaked everything. Check this river out. It's up, what, 3 feet? I mean, it's just right there. It was down quite a bit. It is flowing. I'll give you a better look. Hey guys, it's last day here. Ed's already taken off with Judy. They left early. Long ride. M&M just took off a little while ago. JP's all packed up. I'm gonna meet him over here at the pan and trough. We're gonna give it a crack. We're down here this morning. I found a nice little small flake. We're gonna hit it a little bit more. But guess I'm gonna hang around another day, just chill out. It's like sitting looking at the fire. This is a serious fire. Alright, here's the gold from my panish session. That's looking pretty good. I have to dry it up and figure out what that weighs. That might be a 0.2, but some of those little pieces are little chunky rolly bits. Some pretty nice stuff. Alright guys, that was a lot of fun. Alright guys, I'm here down at Thermal City Gold Mine in North Carolina. Y'all have a great season. It'll probably be the last time I can get here this year. They close after October. So, until next year, get in the creek and get that gold.